test of our 2019 19 plate Skoda Kodiaq 2-litre TDI SE 150 4x4 7-seater. We've got 96,300 on the clock, and we are just road testing it just to make sure that it all drives okay and everything is nice and smooth and slick as it should be, and it is. It's a great car, this. It is a one private owner from new, this car, with full service history, and it's a really nice drive. Lovely and comfortable, nice and smooth, no warning lights up on the dash, everything's all good. Tyres are great, it's got a matching set of Michelin, I think they had the cross climate tyres on it, so good quality tyres. As I say, it's got full service history. It had a full cam belt, auxiliary belt and water pump done in March this year. It's all documented. We've got a stack of invoices and bills and receipts. The early years of its life were full, where Skoda was on a maintenance plan. More recently, in the more recent years, it's been serviced by the local independent to the customer that had the car. So it's been very well looked after, and it's in, for its age and mileage, in very good condition. Looks really smart, lovely colour. It's got the 7 seats, which is a real bonus, and it's the 4x4 as well. So come the winter months, which we're approaching now, you're going to be benefiting from that extra bit of sure-footedness along with the tyres. So SE model, so it's a nice spec. You've got all your touch screen with your DAB and so forth. You've got all your climate control and everything down here. You've got USB and stuff. It's all electronic handbrake, got cruise control, got parking sensors rear, which will show up on there as well. So overall, a really nicely spec car, greatly packaged, great utility vehicle as well with the package that it's got. Lots of information about the car up on our website, but if there is anything you'd like to know in addition on the car, or the finance packages available, or the delivery service that we offer in-house with our own vehicle transporter, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.